Are you wondering what you should be doing right now as a packaged food producer amidst the COVID-19 crisis? I'm going to give you 3 things that you need to be focused on in your business right now to maintain your current customers and also to potentially grow customers now and in the future. These 3 things apply to all producers, packaged producers of any type of food or beverage. Whether you are a farmer's market vendor, you are selling to retailers, you're selling to food service, or you are selling online as an e-commerce business. For the best packaged food advice, please subscribe to this channel by clicking on the bell below, and you'll be notified every time I release a new video all about starting and growing a profitable packaged food business. Hey there, I'm Sari Kimbell, and I am the creator of Food Business Success. I have helped hundreds of packaged food business entrepreneurs start and grow profitable packaged food businesses, including getting on the shelves of major retailers and online stores all across the country. Whether your business is booming right now or it's come to a screeching halt during this COVID-19 crisis, these 3 things that I'm going to give to you next are things that you need to be implementing right now to help retain customers or to grow them in the future. I'm going to go over each one and give you some great examples and ideas on how to implement them. But first, I would love for you to comment below and let me know what kind of food or drink you make, and please subscribe to the Food Business Success channel. Okay, let's talk about each one and I'll give you some ideas on how to implement them quickly. So the first one is communicate. You need to launch or continue your crisis communication now. So if you haven't done this, then this needs to be your first priority. What you want to do is craft a statement that is about your business functionality, how it is operating under the current climate, and you want to let people know whether you are open for business or whether you are not, how they can support you, and if you're taking any measures, if you do have employees, on how you are ensuring their welfare. You do want to keep the message on brand, but I do caution you that you want to keep it respectful and in a sensitive tone, being aware of the situation going on around us. So don't make it too light or too funny. This statement should go out in an email to your email list, as well as posted first thing on your website, as well as all of your social media platforms. And in those platforms that allow it, you want to pin that to the top of the feed, so that's the first thing people see if they come to your social media platforms directly. All right, the second thing you want to do is to clarify your call to action. I'm going to call this your CTA, that's what we call it in the business. So your call to action, you want to clarify your message and tell your customers what you want them to do next. Some examples of this are to let people know how they can purchase your products. Maybe you have other ways that you want them to purchase your products if it's not available on Amazon or not available in stores, or you're launching on the new platforms. So you want to let people know how they can purchase from you. Other examples are offering incentives like free shipping or bundling packages, some freebies. You might be asking for donations to Employee Relief Fund or a GoFundMe in some cases. Or you might be asking for pre-purchases like gift cards if applicable. That's something we've also seen. So you want to be really clear in what it is with your message, your communication. What should your customer do next and how can they support you? You want to include the CTA in all of your communications that we just talked about. Your email, put it on your website, top right underneath that communication, and also put it in your social media where it's easy for people to find it. If you already sent out that first round of crisis communication, but you did not have a CTA, then go ahead and send a follow-up email in a reasonable, appropriate amount of time and include that call to action. And lastly, I want you to think about how to engage with your community. People are looking for things to do. They have problems that need solving. They need comfort. And so I want you to really be proactive and think about what value can you offer to your customers right now. So think about the problems that they're experiencing and what kind of a solution you can offer. They're probably bored. They're looking for fast ways to get food on the table, convenience. They're also looking for some indulgences to make this whole shelter in place or quarantine a little bit better. They're looking for ways to boost their immunity and to stay healthy. They're looking for recipe ideas, and they're just looking to be entertained to some extent, right? Just to have some fun as well. So this is your opportunity, your chance to get out there and really connect with your loyal fans and create new fans. So some ideas would be doing a pre-recorded video or doing a live video of you using your product, putting together a recipe, showing people how easy it is to make a meal using your products, or just how enjoyable and decadent some of your products are. You can put together new recipe ideas and send those out to your customers and to your fans on social media and in email. I love the idea of using giveaways, and this has an added feature, an added benefit of growing your email list. So if you set it up correctly, then you are actually gaining people's emails if you're using a landing page instead of just a tag. So think about doing giveaways, and I highly recommend looking for partners to help split some of the costs, especially if you're going to do some advertising. But we know that eyeballs are on social media right now. The pay-per-click costs are down significantly because there are so many people right now on social media. So this is a great tool and giveaways are a great way to engage and pick up new customers and new raving fans. And then also pose a question. Ask people questions on your social media. Ask them to get involved, invite them in. What are their recipes? How are they spending their time? What flavor would they like to see from your brand? So find ways to engage with your customers right now. They need you more than ever, and this is going to build super, super raving fans, brand loyalty that you cannot buy this kind of brand loyalty going forward. So those are the 3 things that I really want you to be focusing on right now in your business to manage your customers that you currently have and to build new client base. If you're looking for inspiration on how exactly to word some of this, I just highly recommend you go find some brands, some food brands that you already like and trust, and go onto their websites, go onto their social media, and take a look at some examples, and then pull together pieces of those that feel like they fit you and your brand and feel authentic for your customers. So just look to other people doing this in this space. But you are not too small of a brand to start doing this now and communicating with your customers. They want to hear from you. People have time, they're opening their email, so get in front of them and show that you are being responsible and you are being responsive to this crisis as a business. Are you ready to start or grow a profitable packaged food business? Be sure to grab the free business checklist in the description below, and also pick up my top 10 mistakes and how to avoid them free PDF by clicking on the link below. So what other questions do you have about starting or growing your packaged food business, especially in this time? I'm actually going to suggest that now is the time to get started and to work on the foundations of your business. So if you're looking for support in those areas, I highly recommend you head over to foodbizsuccess.com and check out all the awesome courses at the accelerator. I have a ton of free resources on that website as well. So use this time to really dig in and start that dream of yours, and let's make your food business real. If you found this video helpful, I would really appreciate you giving it a thumbs up, liking this video, subscribe to this channel, and leave a comment below. And I look forward to seeing you on the next one.